Yeah, let's get to start. Oh, Tech Rabbit here again. We've been going through. Let's see if I switch to this one. We've been using this Arduino laser diode module and looking at different ways how to detect this laser light. Some of them a bit more unorthodox than others. And what I've been playing around with, the latest one I'm playing around is this infrared obstacle avoidance sensor. So built up a small test for it. Let's see if I can switch to here. So here's the sensor, and basically it has this is there are two versions of this kind of sensor board. There's one with 3 pins and one with 4 pins. And in the 4-pin version, you have now this is like just very general information. So in the 4-pin version, you have an enable pin, which can also be forced enabled by using the jumper on the board. And then it comes with the option to tune the frequency of the infrared being sent out, which is that component there. And then you have the option to, you can tune the frequency that's used for the infrared going out, and then you can tune the sensitivity of the receiver coming in. And the digital, it's like a digital signal, so if it's a 1 if it doesn't detect anything, and 0 if it detects, and you can tune it usually out like short distances, like max probably 10 centimeters. But anyway, what I tried to do is I tried to feed the laser signal into it and see if it would react. And as one sees from the oscilloscope, this is like 10 times a second pulsing on the what did I set it to? No, once a second. Yeah, and nothing happens. And I would tune the sensitivity and all kinds. And the thing is, it does work. So if sorry, life interrupted the YouTuber's tasks. Anyway, as we see, it actually does work if I use my finger to interrupt the signals. So then it actually sends the IR signal to and hits my finger, and then it goes back to the sensor. It actually says, yep, this is okay. So we can say that this was a failure in terms of being able to use it as a generic receiver for a laser signal. Yeah, I don't know if there would be any. I could of course possibly find out what infrared frequency is comes emitting from this diode, and then adjust it, do some hacking on this card also. Well, that's beyond the scope of this video for now. Yeah. But anyway, okay, so now we know we can't use this sensing method. So, yeah. Until the next video.